It's 2023, and have you still been struggling with blending your eyeshadows? Then you need to try this C method that is gonna give you the most seamless eye look. So if you're ready, let's begin. I'm starting out by priming my lids using the PAC Takeover Concealer in the shade Peach Sand, and I'm setting it with some loose powder. And to get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. For the C method, I'll be using liquid eyeshadows as they are more forgiving than the powder eyeshadows, and the ones that I'm using are by Sugar in the shade 5 and 3. I'll be taking a little bit of the shade 5 on the flat brush and drawing the alphabet C in my outer corner using the dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics, and I'll start to dab on it till it seamlessly melts into my skin. To further deepen my outer corner, I'm taking the shade 3 on my flat brush and again drawing a C in my outer corner and blending it with the dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To decorate my lid, I'm picking up this vibrant gold shade from the Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics with my flat brush. To line my top lash line, I'm using the Lakme Insta Liner. For my lower lash line, I'm again drawing with the shade 3 using a flat brush and blending it with the PAC brush in the style 206. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm dipping into this pale gold shade from the Soft Glam palette with my flat short shader brush. To finish up, I'll be curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one is by Mars. And for falsies, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lashes in the style Pixie. And here is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.